na nyansafo tie na fa nimdeɛ ne nyansa ɛyɛ obi bia ampa sika kokomreni. This is the Pillars Golden Moment, and today I'm going to speak tree again. I believe you love my tree. I'm going to try my best because I have an honorable woman here today on the Pillars Golden Moment. I call her my mother. She has been a mother with me for so long on the land of Bono, formerly Bronga Hafu. She is working with me as a mother and also our best caterer in the whole world. She is our matron and she cooks very good food, especially our Friday special watching. Yeah, she is our matron in Golden Intellectual School, Madame Rose Efriye. And today you are going to hear deep wisdom from a wise young lady. Young lady, yes, because she doesn't want to get old. Let's go over to Madame Rose Efriye to learn words of wisdom. Nyansa sema ebema yen ediye wo ewias. Auntie Rose, watch wait me you Rose. Hey. Wow. Oh, wait me you cry. Now that's what ha. Na me shout. Yeah, me am mommy. Why for? Na the wife too much. Won show an April ni wo watch the best cook in the world. Akwaba.
Yeah, mama.
Oh, but you know your mommy. Na me shout pa. Pacho and then you born come to Tweeby. Now, so when him said, Nasa de Nakupon their show. Eh, you can't offer. We're talking about life or knife. Say, oh, yeah, Uma will be a brabo, I yet in Quan anasa wood trap, na brabo. And I want to talk about how spouses can destroy or help their spouses, as in a wife or a husband, to develop their talents. I'm going to mix the trees, so don't be left out. No matter where you are, I'll try to interpret it for you to understand. Auntie Rose, I'm for Auntie Rose, and now I'm for Auntie Rose. Pacho. Now, who you know, now dear partners see when you said, now how to say we.
Missy so I rabum and answer me, I'm go school day. Now come a person be a midwife.
Oh,
now, and also now a piano yammy. Nti amwami nti mko catering school nti mikoye cases aduane no ano epamade na nyame a na tirimpo wo hisa obi nti metwe mo no e de me pamade kakra e ma me ye bakery to ton pan no kakra ton ntoma na ye madwuma nti e na nyame e de madwuma no ma me a me de copy Golden Intellectual School.
Hey.
They say I'm making the Golden Intellectual School on a year.
Into one you know, so your midwife, pa. Didn't know 1 year midwife. Said 1 year young boy and answer one who and who cast a win your
midwife, maybe not many your home partner. If fearful, Papa and Mamma and Timmy and one midwife.
And want to know school fees and if farmer and answer didn't I want to know. My school fees are now said, bien piano.
Now, just I often said, yes, it's here no more tea, croquet to a munty, no minimum school home fast. Tea, make us school name, my dear.
Oh, I remember my waffle.
Yes,
In fact, make come before I have. Mammy will get their roots into the bank country. Yes, I need to grow for NASA. She's a very intelligent one.
Naming my dear pa, yes, I may come to the home of years, so let me, my dear. And I often name DSS or Benny, my dear, also piano.
Okay.
Maybe they make a maybe a scam saying the Macon school, not my midwife. Me young school cry, me now I'm semi a nurse.
Oh,
now come semi the school I'm making a nurse, na me. And so nurse and Antonia said, Yammy names in there, or yes, me my awful me more almost some more. So much my uncle said, Dear. Come corners and not be bay midwife bra. Come in the assay, can name the bay. And the idea be about the same finance. Okay, made the man. Wow. And the no more, that is almost shy. Maybe a school, me, dear, my said, make up a tuntum, Maconinia, one I may hear from a man. If it's a cattle of place, a million young man on the grass. And the maintenance class, and the catcher, I'm a papa. Okay, saying I'm young on the grass at time. It meant in a grass. nti no mu na me kai na na hwe de me vocational school ai diwie ti me pamade kakra to ton pa no kakra
ni ma de pampa na ya sha na ri bodu
okay just kane styles ne die kutu any a low kanta sakakra kane die any die me pambi
sa na so man she bi won se bi am she
na no mire ko no ane se ade pam no mo amena me dane no
na asa wo nim se wonim edwane no apa wa wonim ti dit na wan ko teaching school na wo se pesa wo ye nesu bi enti
na aduane no ane de na wo ho na me shanti na de wo meni so ye school se me ye midwife
amu so bi a she white ni green na ya ofe
na me she so be fata me
asa probably we no so fata ofa dan so ye de
as ma fama dwene afa na nyame de onim tirimupo ma bia eti de na me bible say nye wu nipa wa dwene onu nyankopon na dwene eti na me so hu say de me pe no eho emboa me bi kura me fa wa me kwa be enti wa nwia me kopo me say wo ni tirimpa obo wo me ho wa ma na be
nka we na skwanka wa na be na mama di because we are good. Oh, we just started, so you are not late. You can always join us on YouTube and on Facebook. Ranti Ajako. This is the Pillars Golden Moments, and today we are with Madame Rose Free. She's a caterer at Golden Intellectual School, and she's one of my mothers. She's a very good cook, and we are talking about how your spouse can make or break your talent, how your spouse can help you achieve your purpose in life or destroy it. We just started, so you are not so far away. And before we go on, let's talk about our 1,000 gold packs for children in the villages. Say, Eddie, the man come away, Emma, gra, and what the grassy. They were crayon, they were exercise books, they were the play, mass sets. I said, Chishama, Yankani, Colombo village, nah, and the grassy, nah. It's the end, say, I need to check them all. You can always join us. You can always come on board and support the 1,000 gold packs. As schools have reopened from the COVID, join us, put smiles on the children's faces by giving them crayons, math sets, books, textbooks, just to help them, push them to be who God has purposed them to be. Probably if somebody has given this or more to Madame Rose, she would have been the midwife, but nevertheless, she was supposed to be a caterer. We don't know, but the little you have, plant a seed in someone's life and God will bless you. Let's go over and join Madame Rose to learn more about how a spouse can make or break the spouse or the other partner's wish. Meaning say, you don't be brave. I want to mean yen ya if you say say and juma and koyese and koye nursing and school bio into motifako. You see motifako what you are there so. Dear na ukafam.
Yeah, me come from only say, Oba wari media. So, Maria, oh, yeah, fan. Now, so, Maria, who couldn't come home. And we almost make a paint back and a back on Kabuma. And I can't say, name before and come time dear and they knew. And so, when I may send a back. It is a winner warrior, now no come way back. The back of your room, and I was a mamma so a back. Now I didn't buy a back. Your mum, I was a woman, said it, Yansa across the bin. It is a be an idea back, not baby or the old fan. Emwa. I was a winner to was here. Now, only no cassa, selection, and name of Yenny so said. Be a human way, I may ye. A human Misha, and you make human. Na me nyam adwuma nye na me nyam hu ma dom adwuma nti na makoye nyame adom ne mpaebo nti nyame bi me nya me hu se aha na me fa ebebo ame san se bible aka se obra adwuma de efe bi nka hu na onyankopon enhira na ma woni paye odefo enti se nyame nhira o se bibi we na ya tonia fa wonsa ya e wo se wo ye awoya nyame nhira so ebeba wo so enti se wo ye ware ni na ebi a wukun adwuma bi a ono wo ye na wo so wo dia wo ye na be ma nti meka se ja wo dia na ye obi kura ti meka to se enya adwuma tena fie hwe me ma eno die esa na ase echia if say Bible say yan ma ya aboafo na oboafo de se nipa no de bibi ketua bi ba a so nya kakra e de be ka ho na ye bebre we oboafo nti ye ma ye ni hu ade achichi e chen se be emema obema de ofra bonti no fa ne shirt she ya na okọ oba betimi hu se ni kun shirt ye she no se be aye fi kakra betimi afre no aka chen se me pa so atade de won ko kaza aye fi a na je se wabu na ntia atade we de em se na wo she ne so wa she tinka be ya se san fa fo je so kaza wa kan nyansa wa enti obeti ase obesesa so wakaza no ana mesha ase se wo ya ate ne we nyam mesero she de me ma kuma beto me kasade na je se na kuma pafo na nipa egu ahoro bebere obi o ha wo kan obeti ase obi so kan o mu ya kwa no kran se obeka akyo no ebeti ya boy ya enti eno na bo se bibi de temperament nipa su nipa su no egu ahoro bebere nipa su egu ahoro bebere obi pekasa obi mpekasa obi du nipa mu a ena okasa obi du nipa mu na oya ade a wa otinje hu se ade o de ye ni buase enso woni de no hu se papa ebi se David ye bi David ye ni je ya ma no sa ya ma no ntoma pa na yire ko kanya asem enti se woni hukumo ho a e wo se wo asem bi abekan se bi o ma indie kakra ebem emfa ho se wo ye hukun nti mo ye ba akonti na wo kan se ma wo kan se de wo pe ebi ekun wo yetire enti ade ye yetire de se etwa tire firi ho a bibia no bi ya ka ye homa nti wo se buo ni ani die ne fa bi bia wo de man se wo de man no na onti ase kura ye wa fam die e se nyame asem na se ema yemre ye ho ase ema yekunu wo se bre ho ase wo ka efficiency wa wo se bre ho ase ma wan kasa wo fun wan kasa wadan fukun unu ya bikun kasa wo sofo wan kasa wo sofo bi sofo ma mi kun bi wan kasa ukun enti se wa mu wan kasa ukun no a na je se nyame asem no kra no o ya tonti e na ye kwaje
wo nya ahubata ma ukun se wo se sinafie na se wo se debi na me sinafie na se bia se bibi sina se odwuma so bo wana bibi sina wo wana bia ebe den na wo se chinchina sinafie a dia nkwan so no betumi anya na because you will have a break to feel or my housewives are almost 80 because they have so much talent. Never be doing one person with the pay, but who can say it's Nefi. And now, the parent person go school, you can say Debbie and go school it's nasty. Dear Quanson, I bet me a farmer, you know, and boy, but just what to me,
say, who come, he said, me who be paid. And yummy, madame. Now we had more cocoa board. Oma ye koko mo adwuma ene baba na ka je nse onye adwuma na o ntine enti o tine fe no bi store man e dey say asa wa man adwuma store na mu ene o yiska e dey ye efie biade e wi ase no store no egu papa na se o diska e dey awade go ba enti se o ye bema na sebe wa ko school o ide so akọ school ne nyame ayi na do na wanye adwuma bi ye adwuma na wanye ye ne nya adwuma aye se ye betimi ayi wodi ana se enya adwuma wo ha no keke bi na wo ka se wonyai na ontene fia e wo se wo hwe wo kari wo yire no wo kari no hwe se ba we e di adwuma pa na wo ya e betimi akwa ebi kwa na oba na atinya ka to se adwuma we di amehwe a eye mia madwuma a mepe enti o ka se eye adwuma a opa wo be ma boa no fa wakoma tade ya chire na ebe yiye ebe si yiye pa ama mu mienu nyina ba ni ye anya wo be ma nko ana wo ho ba no nko ana ho beto wo be ma ho beto pa fi se ma wo se ye wo sika na se ni kuno do no ni sika da bi o chire no ya hwesunye na se sika hye ho o so kwa ya yibi otimi to ade ma ni kun oba pade a efe opese ni kunu dress kama na na kire na mo mo dress basa mo kure no no du ni pam a won kase ni kunu no nso ni kunu no nso won timi fa won kire je se obi kase kunu na se on kase ha odi je se ofere se wo hwa won no bia se de wo si afa no na nso so aye ho basa no e ha nti obema de se obenya enka wo yiri ye adwuma afa wakoma ne wadwene nyina pia na wonya sika na ye wode
me ti case bia papa bi kitchen really say onye housewife and a later obon jetwe kakra nti no ne ma free water region and groundnuts garina sefo ma me started kitwa na ne ma ne ye kese afena ne kunu no ase rivalry ase Ochi crab sauce. Oya beche no kese.
Exactly
when we get oya tete. O tete ban sa to the extent class say okokashe ban busa for say ban de bema biechi okọ kwanso a ne ma bebre. The long run, mama na jai ejuma no betena fi. I'm the same thing we say. Divorce sa sukra bai after the mama tip from oni bibia. Bema no so sa jam. It is say no Dentina, memory do what? Only was our rivalry, and no send the air coswa, not a sort of sign, Dentina, sad in the back.
A man baby, the two women to him say, yes, say, Oba, Canano, and baby, and who say, Oba to Tia, a training, bear my day, and I bear my book. It's the bear man upon a training tea, and Kaoba Obena, O Coco Yed Maba say, you were scanning. I just say, oh, dear, now, I never say. Oba so betimi aye bibi enti sa wo ware wo yire na okoso na wo ma no eye wo ya na ajire se wadwene wo tiri mu no sebe bibi kakra wo tuyesu bibi kakra wo ebi se ye kan ye Christopher ya ye ni bibi ni na nso ni pan do hare ho anye papati ni enti wo koso na wo breas mini mo bi oni ni kunu ti bo ni kunu eyi kono fridge okoto bro gba no omo dia betu nsuo no omo no sister ni ya no se o dia bi na bro gba eto nsuo mo ye adwuma me so me ye adwuma kakra nti ye nto fridge wa mu ya e na oba nko to fridge na otwe me nsa no kasa na no da obo to fridge abesi dani a omo ti mu
ala wonu bia na ono use fridge
sa de mo fridge no na otwe me nsa no kasa nti wa nti me anu ewi ase e na onu na no mo nsuo kese odati na ni anu okoyi wa Obey to minerals go no ton one no ya ma ba ja minerals no ton.
Iti e go support you now. One who support you
sanity. Sanity. Obey ma de o boa wo yire pagya no a. E hye woni monyam. E hye woni monyam bebre. Fi se me bi wo a. Wo mo timi boa wo mo yire no ma wo mo yire no tum.
Ah, me mu ya de pa, di.
Bo me se ma sa amprofo. Obi so de Ufrant makra ahwa ye fa na ni to bi o de behwe no je so obehwe wana wa pasem bi se de be ya wo na ni kun asem bi a wo be ya wo no wa se wunsulo Kristo anan da ku ma ka kan se ma ope
Oh,
enti ni na ne se e ko ba ne sa e wo sa wo ba no wo ma wani da ho se be ba ne kan se dia wo dwuma a wo ja ka hu se ai obetimi ahwe wo boa o fridge enam gum wo tonto ma bro na nso ewu ewo
Juma kra betumi
wo dwum na dwuma so betimi ase eti sa bere ma wo mu ya na dwuma be se no obeka je o se ai wo so dia wo tifie ka wo ye dwuma se nka so de be boa on ka se wo no de ka kire wo se ja dwuma enti se wo kunu ka se ja dwuma na betina fie na wo no aduane ana wo di na ate enye emwa prato uda abusuam asem betimi asifie abusuafo betimi akase yeye bibi e wo so wo kwabwa eye nso aba enti se mo fie kura mo timo bia na ye edan a enyefe kane tete dan a ere na tie na asi mo nua no nyina ahia se ye hu se wo de wukun wo ye nipa o nsam yi enti ma ye nsi da nti wo fa bibira mo twa ka tire wukun se mem sika na me fa ngusi me busu afie ntimi na mu se wo ye adwuma obetimi aka kire no emfa na chi se wo be ni kude eno de ma ne nte mi wura e ba chew na no me bra no ebusua no ye hia If you walk up and say, I had them to say the BSC Chiap and Yami and Yadana to a baby able so. It almost see in any tour. It is so human. I mean, my crack, I mean, 10 million, 10% the country on the cost support. The humanity has another power, no putting a more and going on with the same. Won't you say, no bear man on a wabba and go as less down. Eti enye ni nyina na abetimi aka kire okun mem skara mfa ko pura mebusuan fi enye ni sa na wonso ko uti fi a wo se enye hwi eti aka kwaje papa woko enjini ni wo enti da bia wo beton chini
sabi pioto kana wo
kwaje papa me pant aka mi yuni o jisa oto bi be kan enye fe kwaje papa masuma ade na adu bi gare no se sa ko no so mu afira yi enti jisa oto bi ma
and so this are the bed since access.
Madoni. Name where the power the come on. Tempi, I will need begging beat the young sister. Say, only a Jumayano or Befia or Kai be queen, China, isn't Chini who, a graceful feast you, ye now as Mrs. So I had a great photo in Piayo, or Befons, I have been gravity me come bear man.
And Lutina, Mamma, I won't tell Nana, because I said, Mamma won't tell. Manu,
and no more I don't bonnet.
And then, well, not all of them, but pressure will be reward memory super. You will have a pressure, banning your shin and your many son, or some person in the big here. It will wait me a yard to a granada in the world. It's a case be of mammy, be young girl, of the soldier. You couldn't say me was a cat in a fee. Can I say, Chinchina, she owns me fee. Our go by. That's not as a side. Because me Phyllis Anka, when on the bed says, say, okay. And beside me, it's not your housewife, but beside me, bakery, beside you can cram me so water. No one said, Daddy. Don't know, he said, but we have a pint, but one is so said, yeah, that's not a say, Bassa. So, we are bear man hour, I was so with Ginny this same year, or me, Mechidie. Me more fetch a man in 19 open. So what's I been to Tilma? Oba, one more crown. Oba obe feeling Kunachino, naming Nima de Ham. It be an a year, been a ham. Now we are bearmen who put our eating with ya. All free watch. It's a me, or free watch it da. No more woman at Tiano or Surinamia. And the older one or can't also over. And just a one, the Obano Yamaya over. And dear, one my own flew on Kunchi, a fire a year. Fast, woman, and said, Mamma, born, no one be an answer. What was Scarlet Poe and said, Pure Tony, Yama, menstrual part media, could be so cool, it's sad. I did say, oh, your back. Now, why? You may many nana show me, so said, a year. No question is all your banners a woo year, Juma. No, what you made to pong, no coon a Juma or former Canova town. Nya me be shira wa ma wa wona mana wo sresre said the wushi adam wo be sresre but man be nya sa wo be yo mu ku say house boys eno die eno wo de mo hwe say emma o mo nya sika o mo bu o mo kun mo ntia o mo mma o mo wi yese enjira ni kwara no so ni say eye be ma ne ya be ma so le shira wo ba wi shira be ma ne shira ba enti sa wo ye ne sa no de amen amen wo ne de ba no ma wo sie enti ma ne ye be ma ne dia enu nti na se be ma wo ne ba ware na se wo ja ne ya na o mo de ko human rights o se hin wo se wo twum mutan wo na be hwe nkora ala nka ye bi ne wo na de nti se be ma ne be hwe nkora be ma no na e man fi ba enti o de ma wo ba se fesie enti wo di sie na wo no to wa ye be ma ne dia me hunu se se yesi je chinye nya oba de oba yesi yanko hwe ba no moja mi ti bi da be ma moja na yehwe se ampa ne ba no eno na yehwe enti se nyame ma wo nhira no anu ti na bible se oba wo na abaje ukun kwa ana ekun wo na abaje oyere nkwa se nyambo ko kasa enkwa de ye nipa na di nipa nkwa yesa ahunam fam emoabo ebe bo bo ayi ya nyame ayi wa aduma ma wanyesika
ebi ana wo busua wo dem no sika wo be ma no hu no wo dɔ no o na be se o pɛdeɛ o kan so o be ware wate ase saa enti bia na nyame hihye wo pɛ sɛ wo ware no na ba ni ukunu no enya ba bi si na na busua fo se aso esi de ne yi o ware ne nti enne ne ho atɔ wo de o pɛ sɛ o ware a ho tɔ wo ba na wo de o ware na ukunu so tɔ na nti ɛyɛ bɔne nti o ba de wo nyi sika e wo sɛ o tumi bo ukunu de wo ye bia enhwe na bo na we ya make e ma bebre nhwe se oba ni kunu e kan ni kunu fi no ni kunu etete no o ye adwuma na adwuma tumpon papa o nyeska na be ma na fere no go so sebitu no yes madam
na ko mu ye hu
sa tete oba no be nyesika na fe be ma na ni abede akoka se we ye be ifo ade mesem sade o mo nyame nhira do oba betimi ade afi wo na wan hwe wo hire wan hwe wo hire eti wo ye be ma hu se wo ye ti ade e koso ye papa nyina eye wo so ne fira e bae enti se wo yiri koso a nyame pese wo hira wo yiri ne bi kam enti e ma wani mmere wo yiri ye die amen ana se wo ye be ma na se wo yiri obi timi ko fa sabe obi ofiri kokitom na de se nka so obi fire ko ase ofiri kokitom eno okofa no oba e wo hwe ne dress ne hu se yes ampa ofiri kokitom e bi ofiri mu ware eno wode na oba bi tim be du kro no hu life no go bi se ni kunu enye papa ne wono kora de se enye ni kunu ese ho nam no ti obebu be ma na nim ti apa wo be ma oba ne yo sa ka wa kuma to ye ne hwe ne wi e di besi
ko pa sem die da ho fe but Auntie Rose, okay, Auntie Rose Akasa Bebre. Auntie Rose has said a lot. We are talking about husbands and wives today and how we can support our talents. Most wives are being downplayed by their husbands and vice versa. How can this be and how can we solve it? How can they develop their talents and support themselves? That's what we're talking about today on the Pillars Golden Moments. And thank you so much for joining us. And today is with Auntie Rose. She's one of my mothers. I've worked with her in Golden Intellectual School for so many years, and she's now my mother because I'm an orphan. That is why I love orphans. That is why I want you to help me support orphans. So now you see the reason why I love orphans. And Shaver Shito. This is Shaver Shito packaging. Yes. And that is Auntie Rose's Shito. The best Shito in the whole world. And in Golden Intellectual School, on Fridays, even some parents come from the house to come and eat our watch. You will not believe it. Yes. Shaver Shito by Auntie Rose here with me. So whenever you need Shito for funerals, weddings, or anything, just contact us. And you see the packaging, beautiful. And we shall give you Shaver Shito, the best Shito. And how do you say? Papa, Shaver Shito. Papa. Yeah. All right. So Auntie Rose, yeah, pong. I can't cry the pong. But number 7 be say. In Manaswa, be wo ha omo support omo kunu ejuma. Me pe intuma, me pe car, madam fa toka, to be mama no tete ne kunu no send ne kunu ejuma. Eno so e.
Eno so me too ma ite sa no for say. Se wo yo ba na wo yesa, se bi na wo nwene da ache. Na wo nwene da ache kire se entuma ube fra ewi ase kura wo fra mpa wo hu ne kaba no kura na star na twom de mari e twom de ye na yedi ne hema enti sa wo yo ba wo ku ade edi nka pa se wo se wo kuna dwuma e koso etumpon na mu ni asase a yesi dan wo so a mu ni kan pa asase efri se muti obi fie makoto ka papa ya baso ibi na de ko so fie wura hu ka na on kan bi ne mu kwa wo fa so tu ye ono wona sa ka ni etu betu ku fa ka me tami hana
koda o kam
kokko se sa o niamba on pa no ade ne we free ya kese no ene u tv no a yi se ho ni njisi akraka ibi ai boda mi fa boka na de putu she wo kun tun se wo be boa na ma pass ase na mo sim fie ade edi ka ye nya pa ni ka nya ni fie so nya if is a car no do obedi ka to car sentence na adwuma a wo ye no ontumi tem bia ontumi nante ontumi fo obi ka bi kora wo so ko be 4 wo kwa na do be se 2 nya fe no wo frɛ driver ama ne ho akere enti eno no obetimi edi ka atoka na oto sa aka no bi kura de de tete na adwuma kakra na apoa na mmom so ono wa ya nya sa aka no bi awia mo pa asase na mo nsi mo fie eme bi pe wo manum tofi ho asai
na mesa
na wadi no wa yese tofi ne na furu hia na wo hia na fu anza no hia wo mamu afi be wi ase kura no na ada na yare ya eme bi mo no ode akohoma ni ko mebo ni bia enso ise ne no ode
was grateful
minimum akora bia na ye ne tifie na ne kun eye adwuma bi na adwuma no eboa papa no pa saa brem no obo akora na akohoma can sister cities those days nti se na ka ise standard de bia
every day
and de bia
not to see another need
abara na ye adwuma o tifie de bia o man sister cities sister cities wo mo wo ho anwa wo ho enti se mo no be no anto se ni na mo de be ye
sister cities any on so
enti de bia ye fra ne da wo kuma kokko na kokko no nim da na de be kana akwankwan ene me bia akwankwan obewe so kotono abewe edan nam te wa nsa akore meka sa ati no odidi matem kora maye na meso nam se hwe agoso ya akwakwan no eye wo ma na menye mani na bere akwakwan me wo wie na me bi kora mi ni
wo bi kora me pe me no kora me pe
enti akwakwan no wuti wo nya adwuma na papa no ama o sister cities wato bibia wo banche ne nam na akwakwan ne nieme tususu wate tususu enya se bia me cassette ya o se sabio wo dress enkura enyefe mama me ka kire ni wo dress enkura enyefe
se dani na no di on dress come
on wo dress enkura enyefe utwe pa ya se me ti umpo wo tuma pa wo mpamye wo be se na wo ada kan o se anti ni bi o na ti we need to map for kura da wa wo mpamye eni efi na ko me abekwa ko firi di abro na wupia twetwetwe no o se me se abekwa ko ji bi abro o se okay anti o ko ji abetu and I'm so okay said only what yes and I can't look no pass as in Sidai and mom if you say oh mammy aka baby una na wo dia no na no so wo papa so kora wo yi obi a wo hwe ti wo kuni ne nyame ama na ye ni pakase a okuta wo na se nyame amwo no ni hɔ a wo be fine
dunya wo
tese sa bi wo be mo bo nkwa ya wo die me no me se sa wa na me ma wa wo die anya wo de eti hwe otie na sopem
otie
mama otie na sopem na o ka kire nu kunu se o kwa adwuma na asema mama ka kire nu
o no ka no
pepesa pe french le be man asema mama ka kire eti wo bona mane o so hwe na ho se ke ma se se ma me de ma me ti kwa wo hu no wo ye kukuru si no ko ho kura wo hu enti afutu o be ma ne ba no de ama ho eti ni efi ne ade ko to say so scan dem be mama enya so wa bo mama enya so wa bo mama ni ti be ka se bi aba na tu fu bo ni every say scan would no rough wo fa ne hwe eti to susu no ntuma no ko je brewa wo die fa kire be fa me tua ka
no sia de pamon sia de pia o tifie
di fi na wo sere na wo no ha o tenanka ono wo na ye minister of insekuru
that's all the shit.
Oni adwuma bia nti
Level funds exactly.
No, it was yes. The gentleman be man wa fe won say yes.
Why come on.
Dress here.
You crowd
and my Quran ba sorry force. Oba Pentecost. Was antin to mama nya ba bia fa continue be ba share.
Anyway, wow. Inti.
Oh, pap.
When you just say nya san.
Papa no so say was sifie na wo ne ba na ti.
Anka wasi fianka de bia wo be rent saa.
Won si won fie kama.
Na mi show pa. Se ade ye be pon anu no. Se be sa wasem ba ko ye friend no golden question. Sika kokko asem bisa ba ko. Be se wo yi ma no pa. What ya say ba ye wi a chito no so. This week unya ye bi ma mi. Na sa wo kontom rescue na wo twitwa when
olegu mo no
bi a chewo because cover the na men bi say we are straight to the kitchen na me show pa okay I said that we again Woman soon now, it's just because you have a good heart. You are good. It's your good wash now. Let's say become now your first one. And show power. Okay, this is here. And what some son said, who will come? I said, who say, who consider the pump? Or was Capa no see your mouth? Now we hear no sister or mouth. We be jail warrior. I consider the pump now, Koyania, who feels and upon their show. And I said, we bet not our own sir, whether maybe some one cassa say one cassa, who bear day. And I said, say, oh, Baba, be not so cynical and each and every sets, and fear. Now, who said that my life is saying, dear, now we catch it, and I didn't one cassa obey. We joke, and I said, because I'm it's not why I bedding.
Sir, Bearman can say, oh, my own question, Ginger, my own question, Empire wants no. Wait to me a pop pie if you say, to me, I didn't Yammy to me, I didn't or no yamia, a dear one Thompson. Was he in soon feeling that he had him? And on my side, I can see up on no crown, pony flip to the tea, Miss Anishi. And the woman send Yamia,
so one rose.
Who will send Yamia in your Gideon said, was it or Hinakuma, and our women upon him, or Danico baby open. And who could not come I was a media, me mount or yet, me na me a wado, me ane, bema, Missy Pit, Missita, ye me my action. The action is said, me dear me man of my dear. Well, boom could you when I mean. And I just saw it. My name is Aston Cassie be not told. Until you see when I'm national to challenge says so. Or better, who could not come, I'm not Augustia, and I saw obey. Na Bible say, there we any na a gidio, a gidio to Hana, Gidia, a human home, a gidio.
So my maid,
natural. I was that two come up.
We are saying,
yes, I can be what can, what do I know? Cannot teams all one pie.
Oh,
ready. Unadi pass as maybe the other mammy. Maybe I'm here, Radu, Yantra, when I'm on I say Nina. Now, me go catch you because I'm now in wash me when they dress now. Now, Papa, and I say, or call Jam Samka. Don't go cast or Cassan. But yes, in time, now, obey us the way me Papa shoe Fachia. Achia, you go to a shannon when go to Nusko, Pessi, Fitas, and Pana with a calabayo. Remember, obey or said you why me now. If I go away now, the transaction. And to go right, they will say, Yet now won't change any. We are about China. I have the about changing here, but then it's and to be a woody and your bear manager. Ye dear one, ya, I was a meeting, and now was self form a wood person will see more point, yes, and say, Yamin said, we all one son, and I'm better to a Mura, it will say, oh, my main question, oh, me patch your cast and patch and what. Managing who, am talent you. It will bet me I'm talent you. Yamina the man you, and my wedding to be talent to go to Yammy with some. What can I say to him, says, man, Yammy with our talent and once more. At once when I'm going to be poor, what may I mean, sir? Yea, you say, I'm a faggy, yea, peggy, may say, may say, may a hour go by. Bible see a brave once in my young cousin, you come back home. I'm Brazil, how bet me up for you. If you could have worked with you from Lucas and pay what you are, you cry every month. You self contained one weapon out with him. Wouldn't your baby do is go up on Mark, so we have a man. Over to the upper richly. And what's say we see that? Our day. If we are seeing a man and you say what?
You are home. The bear part 2 or a giant, but who said Nansan cow pa, a bear part 2 on our giant in your mind, but you mean show. Would you remember into wow, we are golden mother and now wow, golden queen. Into whatever the market cannot be on, but one as a way play. I mean, shout, what can I say now? Who console when would come out now to chain? Master be bow, now the command. Catch and say, Golden Queen, the man, mammy, so from Burma. I mean, shout, oh, let me show what it, Obenyache, 16.
I mean, slow power, patent more than now, only any golden intellectual school.
Oh,
Opening yes, no course, me and put them with school in or no, I will cast out, be intimate and name on Castle schools. Won't 20 years. I won't be a quite cassia, and my school. No, be piano over school, and here, dear piano, Yammy, a crammer. Just a Yammy, my dear, between one good intellectual, or one wing now, power more in Senio. I'm a transit in her name. Frisia. When you mean now, never a pound, good intellectual, yes. Regina.
Parents no so much to me when I will pass school more, no more. You are the shaman. Well, that is all time come to meet us. Auntie Rose is my mother. She has said it all. Thank you for joining the Pillars Golden Moment. And thank you. We are going to continue the part 2 on divorce. This young, she's young, she calls herself 16 years. And I wonder how old I am, probably 1 year. But that is Auntie Rose for you. There is more to come. Next week, stay tuned, because we are going to talk more about divorce and the issues around it and how we can live a life to fulfill the purpose for which God has blessed us with. Until we come your way again, know that this is Sikako Komre, and then the between number, Ebakakradie, Madame Shawina, Name and Shrow, Nan Yama Pow, their show me, and I am my wrestling in. Bye bye, Ebesha.